Hi guys, I'm James here at Bolton Motorcycles. We've got the lovely Meteor. We have changed it from the black. We're now going to do the army green, and we're going to be fitting the accessories kindly supplied by our sponsor TEC.
Huge thanks to TEC Bike Parts for partnering with us and sponsoring this video. TEC is a UK-based family-run business that design and make parts to personalize your bike and improve its performance to run better, look better, and most importantly, ride better. They have a huge selection of parts for Royal Enfield, but they also offer Triumph and Yamaha parts on their website, which you can find down in the description below. So once again, huge thanks to TEC Bike Parts. But now, let's get back to the video.
Let's put it in the workshop and let's get started. Right guys, build is done. We did hit a few little hiccups that we had to overcome, but nothing that none of you guys will be able to do. I think the parts have gone on really well, look fantastic on the bike. Pannier rails are all on, we're just waiting for the panniers and then the build will be complete. We'll keep you updated on social media for the final look when we're all finished. Make sure you like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next build.